My name is MJ Wave Algo. I need to tell you something that most people in this business will never, ever admit. This is what 20 years of failure taught me about how this game is really played.
I failed, and not just a little. I failed badly, repeatedly, for years. When I started out, I lost an amount of money that, frankly, I'm still not comfortable saying out loud. Money that took me years to save, just gone, in weeks. And it wasn't because I was lazy. I studied harder than anyone I knew. I read every book, I backtested every single indicator, I sat in front of those charts until my eyes were burning, and I still lost.
And then it hit me. The enemy was never the market. It was never the charts. The enemy was me, my own emotions, my ego. You know that voice in your head at 3 in the morning telling you, just move the stop loss a little bit further, or the need to jump right back in with a revenge trade after a stupid loss? I had this ugly, really honest moment where I had to admit to myself, I will never beat myself. We are emotional animals trying to play a mathematical game, and you know what? The math always wins. That night changed everything for me. Not because I quit trading, but because I quit trading as a human, and I started building machines.
So, fast forward to today. Let me show you something that's going to either save you a lot of money or make you very, very uncomfortable. I've been scrolling through these copy trading platforms lately, and it's a graveyard. It truly is. You see these accounts that look like absolute rock stars for months, and then, boom. Suddenly they're down 30, 40, 50% or more. And this isn't just random bad luck. It's built into the system. So why does this keep happening over and over again? Well, I've broken it down into 5 key reasons. If you can understand these 5 things, I promise you, you will never look at a copy trading leaderboard the same way again.
The biggest killer, by far, is something called the martingale trap. It's a really seductive idea. The strategy is simple. Every time you lose, you just double your bet. The performance chart looks incredible for a while, right? Just this beautiful, steady climb. But what you're really doing is building a tower of cards. You're just stacking risk on top of risk. And it only takes one big, unexpected market move for the whole thing to just collapse, wiping out your account in a single day.
The second problem? The leaderboard trap. These platforms rank traders by their monthly return. So what do you think a trader does to get to the top? He cranks up the risk. He overtrades. He uses insane amounts of leverage. Why? Because a 50% month gets him to number 1 on the rating. The entire system is literally designed to reward the most reckless, dangerous behavior. And the investors who follow him, well, you're just collateral damage in his race to the top.
Okay, next is this little trick, the balance versus equity illusion. You look at an account and you see a balance of, say, $12,000. Looks great, right? But the equity, that's the real live value of the account if you closed every single trade right now, is only $8,000. That $4,000 gap, that's a hidden floating loss. It's the danger lurking under the surface. And many platforms only show you the balance, which is just dangerously misleading.
So, what do you actually look for if you want to find something real in this ocean of absolute garbage? I'm going to give you a checklist, a 5-point checklist you can use to evaluate any master account on any platform. And yes, that includes my own.
First, and this is non-negotiable, demand verified third-party statistics. A site like Myfxbook. Do not trust screenshots, ever. Second, make sure it's a real money account, not some demo where there's no skin in the game. Third, check that the equity is super close to the balance. That big gap we just talked about? That's a massive red flag. Fourth, look for a profit factor above 2, and that's over a lot of trades, like 300 or more. This proves it's not just luck. And finally, you have to understand their risk logic. If you see them betting bigger after a loss, you know it's a martingale system, and you need to run.
Now, after pointing out all these problems, I want to be 100% transparent. I didn't just diagnose these issues from afar. I set out to solve them. For myself, I built my own system from the ground up. And it doesn't use any of those standard indicators you see everywhere, like RSI or MACD. It's totally different. It's based on analyzing the underlying wave patterns and probabilities inside the market, basically understanding its mathematical structure.
I also made a very deliberate decision from day one: no gold. Gold's volatility right now is just an unacceptable risk for my investors' capital. I actively chose your safety over my potential extra profit. My algorithms generate more than enough from the currency basket alone. We do not need gold. So let's just look at the numbers. These are from my live, verified accounts. The max account, it's the more aggressive one, has a total gain of over 140%. But look at this, the maximum drawdown, that's the biggest dip it's ever taken from a peak, is under 12%. And even the more conservative junior account is up over 55% with almost the exact same risk profile.
I want to pause on one number here, 4.25. That is the profit factor on my max account. Let me tell you what that means in simple terms. For every single dollar the algorithm has lost, it has made back $4.25. Look, most hedge funds would kill for a profit factor over 2. To do this over 480 trades, this is not a fluke. This is a mathematical edge. And it's not about hitting home runs. Over those 480 trades, the win rate is 73%. The system just grinds. The largest single loss and the largest single win are almost identical in size. It's all about controlled entry, controlled exit, and controlled risk 480 times in a row. It's about consistency.
And this is the number that separates the real systems from the fake ones. My equity consistently runs at 98% of my balance. That means any open, floating positions are holding a drawdown of less than 2% of the account. It means nearly all the profit is locked in. It's not floating, it's not based on hope, it is locked.
Now, I promised from day one that I would show you everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let me show you an ugly day, March 2nd.
On March 2nd, the max account hit an intraday drawdown of minus 11.62%. This right here, this is the exact moment a manual trader panics. This is where you close everything at the bottom, lock in that huge loss, and you walk away just completely destroyed.
The algorithm did not panic. It doesn't have emotions. It didn't feel that drawdown. It just managed it. The day closed at plus 3.14%. From deep in the red to solidly in the green. In one session, with zero human intervention. That is what systems beat emotions looks like when the pressure is real.
To give all of this some context, let's look at how some of the biggest players in the world are doing. Now, to be clear, this is not a direct comparison. These guys manage billions of dollars, they operate on a totally different scale, but it does give you a benchmark for what's considered elite performance at the highest level.
In their best recent years, legendary funds like Bridgewater and Rocos Capital posted returns in the 30% range. Now, my system's recent 50-day performance was 140% on the max account. Again, different scale, different time frame, I get it. But it just shows you the raw potential of a focused, purely mathematical approach.
Finally, I want to be upfront about how I'm growing this thing. Look, I'm a builder, I'm an engineer, I'm not a marketer. So instead of pouring money into advertising, I created a partner program for people who actually believe in what I've built and want to help share it.
It's really simple. You refer an investor to my system. When the algorithm generates a profit for them, I earn a 30% performance fee on that profit. And you receive half of my fee, 50%. Not just once, you get it every single time the algorithm generates profit for that investor, for as long as they stay connected. It's recurring.
Look, at the end of the day, I'm not asking you to just believe me. Past performance never indicates future results, and anyone who tells you differently is selling you something. What I do promise, what I owe you, is absolute transparency. So I'm asking you to just look at the data. All of it. The green days, the ugly days, every single trade is right there.
The algorithm doesn't need your attention to work. It's going to execute on Monday morning whether you're watching or not. The math doesn't wait. It doesn't care about your doubts. It doesn't care about your hesitation or what your timeline is. The data is public. The history is there. You can go and verify every single thing I've said for yourself.